Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, I kind of failed. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I painted some deli paper and I love deli paper. If you guys haven't tried painting on or jelly printing on deli paper, do it. It is so fun. Very addictive. I might add, disclaimer. And I fussy cut a chair. So that's what you've missed. You missed my painting and fussy cutting the chair. And for those of you that are new to my channel, I have a thing for chairs. Don't ask me why, I just do. So as I told you guys, I'm purging, going through my stash. So I'm trying to use up some of the things that I've saved. And let's just say I have a few chairs. So I'm just glue sticking it down on top of the deli paper that's on top of the playing card. So this artist trading card a day challenge for me has been, it's been fun, but it's also been, I have to say, I'm going to admit straight out, it's been a challenge because I haven't really felt like arting. I don't know. I just haven't. The state of the world right now has put me in a funk. I can recognize that, not just the pandemic, but all of the recent things that have happened, which I don't really want to talk about because I don't like to do that on this. I look at this channel and I look at being able to do art as an escape or a fun distraction from my daily life. But I've been in a tremendous amount of deep grief for myself, deep grief for humanity. I think this pandemic has brought out the best and the worst in people. Um, and I've just tried to hold a place of hope for myself and for my family and for all of you and your families, in a place of peace, and really been looking at what brings me joy and where I find my solace and my peace. And it's been through art. But quite honestly, I haven't felt like it. I haven't. But I'm just trying to push through. And one of you made the comment that my pieces are very simple. And my response was, that's all I can muster right now is the simple. I don't, even though I do love complex art projects, I just don't have it in me. So this one is a playing card with a piece of jelly printed deli paper on top with a fussy cut chair and words. And the words for this piece are, he would sit at the edge and I blew him a kiss. So I hope you find some peace and solace in your day and try to art it out. And as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so much aloha. Take care.